What is up, guys? This is FNA Show here with a brand new video to talk about InstaGC. So this is the video I wanted to talk about after the Google surveys one I made on how you can make extra money online on automation. This is more of an automation. There are some where you have to manually work if you want to, but I wanted to specifically discuss the automation piece, and I'll then diverge a little into dive a little into the other portions where you can earn more money on this website. So what this website is InstaGC is basically instant gift cards. There is cash payout, so don't worry, you don't have to like go crazy. And I'm gonna get straight right into it. It's just like your other websites where you do surveys, you download apps, you do clicks, you purchase items where you get points as well, reward points which you can cash out, similar to how like a credit card purchase and that it has reward points. But obviously if you want to just earn cash and you want to go down that route, this website will work for you. And the one we're going to go for is videos. They have trackers on the side where you can see how people are earning points, as you can see over here. And this is live time. You see how people done stuff and they actually earn points. And you can see they have all these different things where you can do. There's, again, apps download, calls, clicks, shopping, surveys, tasks, trials. But we're going to be focusing on video. Now, before I even get into that portion of it as well, you can redeem it in many different ways. They have gift cards. They have other rewards. You can donate it. There's sweepstakes. You can boost it. And these are the major 4 items you can do. Direct deposits, e-check, PayPal, and debit Visa. I guess they'll give you like a debit card or a redeem card. I mean, I don't know about that one. But obviously PayPal or direct deposit, or if you want to check, go for it. That might be up your alley. So in this specific website, and I'm going to do like a lot of these videos in the future. Like I'm going to go from there. With this specific one, you can earn like from $1 to $2 a day on automation. And where I'm going with this is, with this one, the Google surveys, and the other websites that I'm going to make videos on, you can easily be able to earn $5 to $10 a day, if not more. And again, this is all on automation. It doesn't take a lot of your time, and you can easily like those money on cash. Again, now if you're trying to earn like $1,000, obviously this will not be the one for you. But if you're just starting off, you want to earn some extra cash on the side, let's say you're a college student, or you wanted to have extra cash where you can just pay some extra bills off, to do like within just a little amount of time, where you just, let's say you just got home, you're watching the TV, or you just got home, or you're trying to sleep, or you're doing something, you're playing Red Dead Redemption on your PS4, whatever the situation may be, you can use this specific one to earn some extra cash. Now, I was going to show you in the video side on how it works. Basically, let's say that was one of the video providers you click on. All you have to do is you do show below. Crap, I have ad block on. You do show below. I'm going to just pause it for now. You do show below. It actually starts playing videos at the bottom. I'm not gonna let it play, but I'm just gonna show you while it plays. There's an ad playing as well, and while the ad's playing, crap, screw my life. While the ad's playing, it'll like go through the ad, then the video will play. The next video will pop up. It's a playlist, so you can literally do this either at night, or you can do it in the morning, or whatever. Like, I don't know, whatever at work, maybe on your phone. There's actually more options on the phone because you get a different type of ad, different type of views, different type of playlist per se. So it can change for that. From what I remember is, I believe 20 videos will get you 1 point. Each point is a penny, and yeah, each point is a penny. So right now, technically, I have 10 cents. 100 points would be $1. So you can actually earn 100 points. I think the cap is maybe 200 points a day. It can change based on how long you've been here, what type of rewards you're doing. I think videos is $2 a day. Either $1 to $2 a day for videos. Again, you can still do survey. Like, you literally see people earning points. They earned over 200 points. I've seen people with 300-400 points earned, if not more. Surveys obviously offer the most, but some surveys take very long. I've seen surveys from 30 minutes, but you get like 135 points. So you put that much time, but you got the $1. So surveys are, again, that's not my cup of tea. I would go more towards the video side like this. And this is for me, like, this is one of the best ways to go from it. You just play it, loop it, and that's it. You don't really have to do anything. I would personally say, if you work, you can have your phone out. Like, don't watch it. If you don't listen to music while you're at work, just go there at work, put it on charge, let it play. That's it. Let it play in the background, and you're good. At night, up to you. If you have a crappy phone, you can log in that account, go from there. If you want to use your normal phone, go for it. Put it at night, or as soon as you come home, put it on charge, put the thing on. Or if you have your computer, before you go to work, turn on the computer, let this play in the background, and then you just go from there. I feel like it's one of the best ways to like just earn it. It's automated. You don't have to do anything. That's what I feel like is the best part. Or in general, if you're just working on the computer, I don't think it'll work at your work computers. They usually have those sensors on, like the computer background stuff, but you can do it at your home computer, like the one I'm recording from right now. Something like this, if you have, play it. Your laptop, play it. Again, it's your choice on how you want to go with it. I would suggest a phone route. But again, it's your choice on which route you want to take and how you want to do it. And again, like I said, overall, they have different other pieces. They have other stuff. They have the shoppings. If you want to purchase, go from here. I think they have their own browser where you can just literally browse over there and earn a couple cents here and there. I think they do. I don't know how to. Yeah, search the web. They do have their own browser. I remember, see, they have their own browser. If you want to search on their browser, go for it. You can search on their browser and you'll earn money. Don't use Google. Don't use DuckDuckGo. Use this if you want to earn some extra cash. Obviously, because it helps them, their browser gets more out there and they will give you extra points. Again, nothing crazy, but you earn from this like little by little. It just helps build up. Trust me, at the end of the month, you can see it literally add up to like $50, $100, and if you have some bills to pay, if you have some credit cards and whatnot, you can easily help this. Obviously, if you're trying to earn more money, I have other guides on that, like affiliate marketing and whatnot, or like starting YouTube. Those are still small, but they always start off small. Like this is just something you do on the side and you earn extra cash, but those are more like snowball effect into they start small, can get big, can turn into a full-time job. Obviously, as it is for some people on YouTube, as you clearly see. But yeah, this is just one of them. I will make a few more where you can have like a good chunk of like different things you can do, like spend 10 minutes here or put this on automation, then put that other one on automation and work on specific ones here, and then you can literally earn from like $10 to $15. Like you can probably even go more. I've seen people obviously do more. I'll even make videos on how like there's like jobs you can get with Google, like how to like not with Google, but like searching stuff on Google, you will get paid like $25 an hour, $30 an hour. And if you put that, let's say you come from work on the week and you want to put like extra 10-15 hours, you can earn a good amount of cash from that and then go from there. Again, that's just one example I'm giving of, but I wanted to start small. That's why I started with Google Surveys first. This is next, and then I'll just start building from here and go from there. So I definitely want you guys to like go check it out and let me know your thoughts below. I'll leave all the links in the description below if you want to check it out, sign up and whatnot. But yeah, let me know if you found this informative, if you want me to make more videos like these, if you find these helpful or not. Let me know in the comment section below. Overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out.